front of me is DOOGEE V MAX, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, open Devices settings and then choose Other wireless connections. Following that, you need to tap on Bluetooth at the top and tap on this gray switcher next to it in order to activate it. Now just wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Last but not least, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you need to tap on this gear next to the device, choose Forget next to Connect, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!